Hello guys, today I am sharing with you a very effective magic recipe to lighten the skin very quickly. A secret of Korean women's skin. If you suffer from dark spots, uneven skin tone, blackheads, dull and tired skin, you are in the right video. I promise you will notice the difference from the first use. So to prepare the first mask, first we need a medium-sized potato. Peel it off. Despite the simplicity of this ingredient, it has a very excellent effect in unifying skin tone. Because it is rich in starches, which in turn contain vitamin A, which helps in renewing skin cells. Potatoes also help soothe skin irritations from redness caused by sunburn. Well, as you can see, we grate the potatoes on a very fine grater. Save a quarter of the potato for later use. Then filter the potato juice. Guys, please write to me in the comments from which country you are watching this video. You can use the remains of grated potatoes under the eyes if you suffer from the problem of dark circles. It is very useful. Now take about 3 tablespoons of potato juice. Then we need rice powder. Add 1 tablespoon. Stir well until the rice is moistened. So now we're going to add a great ingredient as a source of vitamin C. We use orange juice or lemon juice. Vitamin is very important for skin health and prevents the appearance of wrinkles. It fights skin aging and free radical formation. Every woman should know that vitamin C is your skin's best friend if you want glowing and tight skin. Add 2 teaspoons. Okay, after stirring well, leave this mixture aside for 10 minutes until the rice becomes soft. Next, we need dried milk. Add 1 tablespoon. Milk contains lactic acid that exfoliates the dead and pigmented layer. Gives the skin fantastic moisture. We get a mixture with this consistency. So now we go back to the remaining potatoes and cut them into circles. After rinsing the skin with warm water, apply the mask on your skin, including your face, hands, knees, and all dark areas. Apply a fairly thin layer. Then use potato slices and gently rub your skin. Continue this step for a minute. Then leave the mask on your skin for half an hour. Finally, rinse your skin with warm water, then cold water. Use this mask 3 times a week for the face, but for the rest of the body, you can use it daily. After rinsing your skin, you will notice that your skin has become soft and bright. Now, let's get to know the second mask. We need rice. Guys, we do this step the night before preparing the mask. In a bowl, put 2 spoons of rice and cover it with a 1/4 cup of water. Leave the rice to ferment overnight. Second, we take half a potato. Then we boil the potatoes. Dear, if you are interested in more recipes, please support us by liking the video and leaving a nice comment. Thank you very much for your support. So now we put the potatoes in an electric blender and then add the fermented rice. Pour the cream into a bowl and let it cool. And we will need this wonderful ingredient, chickpeas. It will make your skin like glass. Chickpeas remove stubborn pigmentation such as melasma and acne scars. Okay, now put a small amount of chickpeas. Add a well-filled tablespoon. And mix well until the chickpea powder dissolves. Now add a teaspoon of starch to lighten and tighten the skin at the same time. Okay, now we're going to add a preservative to this cream. Use a teaspoon of lemon juice or a vitamin E capsule. Then mix the cream until it is homogeneous. Finally, keep this cream in a sterile glass container. Okay. You can keep this cream in the refrigerator door and use it all over your body. Apply the cream on clean skin after rinsing it with warm water to open the pores. Spread it well with your fingertips and leave it on your skin until it is completely absorbed. Avoid pressure and talking while wearing the mask. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then clean your skin. And you can use it daily for faster results. Finally, don't forget to moisturize your skin. Now guys, tell me which mask you like best. We have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.